Hi dear students, today we are starting the third unit of our English text, The First Flight. Two stories about flying. From that, today we are going to have a discussion on the first part of it, that is His First Flight, written by Liam O'Flaherty. His First Flight is based on a young seagull who is afraid to fly because of his distrust on his wings. He believed that his wings would not support him. All his younger brother and sister had flown away fearlessly, in spite the fact that their wings were shorter than his own. But this young seagull could not muster up courage to fly away. And at last, the writer gives us a beautiful narration of the story about how the bird overcomes his fear and had flown away with his parents. So, here the author is trying to give us a message that the inner strength of a person is always helpful in overcoming the problems of our life. If we have to overcome the problems of our life, we should attain the inner strength of heart. That is the message given by the author here. So let us start the lesson today. His First Flight, written by Liam O'Flaherty. He is an Irish writer, a British writer. His first flight, the young seagull was alone in his lodge. The young seagull was alone in his lodge. His siblings, his two younger brothers and a sister had flown away with his parents 24 hours ago. But the young seagull, he was afraid to fly. He ran forward towards the brink of the ledge where their nest was kept by the parents. But reaching the brink of the ledge, he could, while looking out from the ledge, he could see the wide expanse of the sea, and that frightens him, and he could not attempt to fly away from there. The wide expanse of the sea frightens him. He tried to flap his wings, but he could not. He ran back to the hole where he was sleeping last night. He felt certain that his wings would not support him. He would definitely fall down to the deep sea if he tried to fly. That was his fear. Even then, he was thinking about his little brothers and sisters. All the four young ones were born together, but they mustered up courage and flown away, though their wings were shorter than himself. But he could not. He failed to muster up courage. His father and mother, they were encouraging him, calling him shrilly, upbraiding him, threatening him to let him starve if he starve on the ledge unless he flew away. His parents were calling at him shrilly. Shrilly means in a loud voice. They were upbraiding him. That means they were scolding him, and they were threatening him to let him starve on the ledge unless he flew away. But for the life of him, he could not move. He could not muster up the courage to attempt the first flight. He was very much, he did not have belief on his strength, on the strength of his wings. He thought his wings are too weaker to fly away. So he did not have confidence. He did not have a self-confidence that self-confidence, lack of self-confidence did not allow him to attempt that first flight. There we stopped today's class. The rest of the story and how the bird mustered up courage at last and he had flown away, that we will learn in our next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.